Welcome to Objectively, YouTube's best review of the Quantum QHM74682VA 2.0 DualShock controller. What a simple name. In the box, you get the controller and the driver CD. In my case, the driver CD doesn't work. I think it was corrupted, so if you have this problem, just go to Quantum's website and download the driver from there, and I'll leave a link to that in the description. Even when the driver is installed, the controller doesn't work with most games. Here are a few games I've tried. But you can use a program called X360CE to get it to work with most popular games. I'll leave a link in the description to a page with all the games that are supported by X360CE. I'll also leave a link to a text and video tutorial for X360CE. The text tutorial is more complete and made by the developers, while the video is easier to follow, but it doesn't cover everything. The vibration also doesn't work with any game I've tried, but again, X360CE comes to the rescue. Just go to the vibration tab and make the settings match mine on screen. I've tried Rocket League and the vibration works, albeit a little weak. On the topic of vibration, there's actually only one motor in the controller. That might be a bummer for you because on the product page it says DualShock controller, and you might not like companies that lie to you. In my opinion, I don't give a crap. When the controller vibrates, it does feel like the whole thing is vibrating and not just one side, so it's not a big deal for me. Maybe that's why I thought the vibration was a little weak. The build quality is what you'd expect from a 300 rupee device. It's plastic and the buttons and joysticks feel a little cheap. By the way, L2 and R2 are buttons, not triggers. This controller has lasted me almost 2 years, but that's because I bought it with my own hard-earned money, so I took good care of it. This is my third controller. The first two were bought by my brother, so I didn't value them as much, and they stopped working after a few months each. So take good care of it, and this controller should work for a long time. So that's it for me, folks. Goodbye.